might artificial intelligence, or AI, revolutionize the world of affiliate marketing? This isn't just a theoretical question, it's happening right now. AI is essentially a technology that enables machines to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Meanwhile, affiliate marketing is a strategy where a commission is earned for marketing products. Now imagine the potential when these two worlds collide. AI could drastically transform the landscape of affiliate marketing, making it more efficient, personalized, and profitable. The possibilities are practically limitless, from AI-driven affiliate programs to personalized recommendations and beyond. But we're not talking about possibilities. AI is already making waves in affiliate marketing, and we're going to explore some real-world case studies to illustrate this. To understand the power of AI in affiliate marketing, we need to delve into some real-world examples. Consider the case of a global e-commerce giant, renowned for its comprehensive affiliate marketing program. This entity has been using artificial intelligence to gain a deeper understanding of customer behavior and make accurate predictions about the future. This process involves analyzing vast amounts of data, from previous purchases and browsing patterns to time spent on pages. Now, visualize the impact of machine learning algorithms that are perpetually improving and learning from this data. It's like having a marketer who never sleeps, incessantly learning and adapting. Artificial intelligence also allows this global giant to focus its marketing efforts more effectively. By comprehending customer behavior and preferences, they can deliver personalized adverts and product suggestions, thus enhancing the chances of conversions. This has tremendously increased the effectiveness of the entity's affiliate marketing program, resulting in higher click-through rates and improved sales conversions. As this case study demonstrates, AI can significantly enhance the efficiency and results of affiliate marketing programs. Not just about automating tasks, but about making intelligent, data-driven decisions that yield superior results. Now, let's look at another example. Personalized recommendations, an increasingly popular tool in affiliate marketing. Imagine you're an online retailer, awash in a sea of data. It might feel like trying to find a needle in a haystack, right? But here's where AI helps. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, you're able to analyze this data and generate personalized product recommendations. It's like having a personal shopper for each customer, suggesting items they might like. Let's take, for instance, the case of an online retailer that saw increased sales after implementing AI-powered recommendations. By tailoring product suggestions to each customer's unique interests and preferences, the retailer was able to not only increase sales, but also improve customer satisfaction. Through personalized recommendations, AI can enhance the customer experience and boost affiliate marketing sales. So, what does the future hold for AI in affiliate marketing? The horizon is broad and exciting. Picture this: more advanced predictive analytics transforming the way we understand market trends. We're talking algorithms that don't just analyze past market data, but anticipate future market patterns with an uncanny accuracy. Imagine the automation of routine tasks. No more tedious manual work. All those hours spent on repetitive tasks, reclaimed. AI can handle it, enabling marketers to focus on strategic decision-making and creative pursuits. And then, we have better segmentation. With AI, we could achieve a level of precision in marketing that was previously unattainable. Think targeted ads that hit the mark every single time, reaching the correct segment with the right message. In essence, AI could become the secret weapon in the affiliate marketer's toolkit, driving efficiency, effectiveness, and engagement. As these potential applications suggest, the future of AI in affiliate marketing is full of exciting possibilities. In summary, AI is already making a significant impact on affiliate marketing. The interaction of these two powerful tools is revolutionizing the industry. From AI-driven affiliate marketing programs that streamline processes and increase efficiency to personalized recommendations that enhance user experience and boost conversion rates. Real-world case studies were examined, demonstrating how companies are successfully implementing AI to optimize their affiliate marketing strategies. The potential of AI doesn't stop there. The future was also discussed, predicting a landscape where AI becomes even more integral to affiliate marketing. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the ways products are marketed and sold. The future is bright, powered by AI. As AI continues to evolve, its role in affiliate marketing is expected to expand, creating new opportunities and challenges for marketers. The question is not if, but how and when the AI revolution will be embraced in marketing strategies. Thank you for watching our deep dive into how AI is revolutionizing affiliate marketing. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. If you did, please support us by hitting the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated. We consistently produce content that uncovers the intricacies of the marketing world, with special emphasis on the transformative power of AI. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when our next video drops. So don't miss out on the opportunity to keep learning with us. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep learning.